I love the SAS program because I've had so many hands-on research opportunities that have made me feel like I'm truly making a difference in the agricultural community while learning valuable skills and hopefully benefiting local producers.
The Sustainable Agriculture and Food Systems programs were really designed to give students some overall perspective of the complexity involved in the food system so that students are ready to engage and be involved in the evolution of that system and our food production to address challenges currently and in the future. Each student defines and names their own focus area that relates specifically to what they hope to do when they leave here. And so that means that each student works with their advisor to develop their own emphasis area. Horticultural crop production, to dairy management, to natural resource management, to food systems and community resilience. There's an endless range of opportunities for you here. One of the unique things about this program is our ability for students to actually get hands-on learning outside the classroom to supplement what they're learning in the classroom. For example, for those interested in animal agriculture, we have courses that manage part of the dairy herd, that's the cream course, a PEEP course which manages broiler chickens and raises those during a semester, and then a livestock management class which raises sheep. In the plants realm, we have food production field experience courses where students use their crop planning and management expertise to produce crops year-round for dining services on campus. And we also have the state-of-the-art brewing science laboratory where students can get hands-on experience with quality control analysis and learning all you need to know to develop their own recipes for brewing. Many of our students do research alongside faculty members. They get the opportunity to learn more about the fields of study that are most interesting to them, and at the same time get some practical experience presenting and learning about research. We have one of the largest undergraduate research conferences here in the college, and many of our students take part in that every year, presenting the work that they've done. We offer several opportunities to study abroad. For example, we offer a course that has been held every spring, Agriculture and Culture in Ireland. This is a full semester course that meets all semester long and involves a 10-day short trip to Ireland as a part of that experience. A little more involved, we offer a January 3-week course where students go to Costa Rica and learn about agriculture in the neotropics. Beyond that, we have a full semester opportunity to study abroad in New Zealand, learning about agriculture and natural resource management. A lot of our faculty have direct, strong working relationships with people working in the food system. A lot of our students directly make connections with employers in that way. About 80% of them are involved in agriculture or some part of the food system directly. A good portion of those students have gone on to postgraduate degrees in law and nutrition and agricultural sciences. Another good portion of those students have taken jobs that are more entrepreneurial in nature. And then another portion of students are involved directly in education, outreach, or advocacy, supporting food production and food system businesses. If you have questions about the program, we would really love to answer them. I would love to show you the facilities here and to talk with you about whether this program is a good fit for your interests. So please don't hesitate to reach out and get in touch with us.